The Acropolis of Athens is over 2,400 years old and is not only a UNESCO World Heritage Site, but also a symbol of democracy as well as the birthplace of Western civilization. If you're planning a visit to this iconic site, then stay tuned because today I'll unveil the top 7 essential things you need to know to help you prepare your Acropolis adventure. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the best traveling guides and reviews for your next bucket list adventure. Number 7. Best time to visit. The optimal time to explore the Acropolis is either early morning or late afternoon. Early morning visits guarantee a serene and cooler atmosphere with the added bonus of capturing pictures before the crowds arrive. Late afternoon excursions, especially during the golden hour, not only provide relief from the midday heat, but also frequently experience a decrease in the number of visitors. This allows you to leisurely explore the iconic archaeological site without the typical crowds and noise. Number 6. How to get there. Getting to the Acropolis in Athens is a straightforward and easily accessible trip. If you're exploring the city center, one excellent way to reach the Acropolis is by walking. For those looking for a faster option, Athens' efficient metro system is a convenient choice. The Acropolis station, M2 line or Red Line, is located just a short walk away from the entrance. Number 5. Join a guided tour. Opting for a guided tour allows you to tap into the expertise of knowledgeable guides who offer valuable historical context, share captivating anecdotes, and provide in-depth information about the iconic monuments. These tours often come with the added benefit of skip-the-line access, enabling you to maximize your time without enduring the inconvenience of long queues. Upon completing the guided portion of your visit, you can seamlessly transition to exploring at your own pace. Number 4. What to expect. Visiting the Acropolis in Athens is a journey into the heart of ancient Greece, where history, architecture, and culture converge. The Parthenon, a symbol of classical architecture, dominates the skyline, showcasing its opulence and historical significance. As you explore the site, expect to encounter other notable structures, such as the Odeon of Herod's Atticus, a splendid amphitheater located on the southern slope, and the Temple of Athena Nike. In the Greek sun, staying well hydrated is your best ally. The Acropolis provides a tap where you can conveniently refill your water bottle, adding an extra layer of convenience to your visit. Number 3. The new Acropolis Museum. Designed to house and display the archaeological treasures and artifacts from the Acropolis, the museum was built for visitors to explore the history and culture of ancient Greece. As you step inside, you can look forward to an immersive experience, unveiling captivating narratives behind the Parthenon's marble sculptures, a striking display of artifacts, and the renowned caryatids. The best time to visit is right after your morning trip to the Acropolis, as it tends to become crowded later in the day. Additionally, the museum offers a delightful cafe where you can relax, enjoy a snack, and prepare for your next destination. Number 2. Buying your tickets. Tickets can be purchased both online and on-site, but it's advisable to buy them in advance, particularly during peak tourist seasons, to avoid long queues. Online purchases offer the convenience of skipping lines, allowing you to make the most of your time at the Acropolis. You can choose between a single ticket to the Acropolis or get the combo ticket, which includes access to the main archaeological site, as well as other significant locations, such as the ancient Agora and the Temple of Olympian Zeus. Number 1. Watch the sunset. If you opt for a late afternoon visit during the golden hour, the warm tones create an ideal backdrop for capturing stunning shots of the Acropolis. After wrapping up your brief photo shoot, I recommend heading to Mars Hill, just a few minutes away. This spot provides an ideal setting to witness the sunset and capture more beautiful images with the Acropolis in the background. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and be sure to turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my travel guides and adventures. Keep on traveling, and I will see you guys in the next video.